Go Green! Go White! 오늘은 미시간 주립대학교 MSC를 탐방하며 스파르탄즈에 대해 더 알아보겠습니다. 미시간 주립대는 원래 1855년 농업대학으로 탄생했습니다. 지금은 학생 수 5만 명에 육박하는 종합대학으로 발전했는데요. 수의학, 형법학 등의 학과는 전국적으로 인정받습니다. 학생들은 대학생활 4년 동안 다양한 과외 활동을 즐기는데요. 태양광 자동차 레이싱팀에 가입하거나 유기농 채소 농장에서 일하는 것도 여러 선택 중 하나랍니다. 미시간 주립대가 어떤 과정을 거쳐 성장했는지 더 알아볼 생각에 너무 기대되는데요. 함께 가보시죠. 저는 미스 코리아 USA 수상자이자 최근에 경영대학을 졸업한 조민희입니다. 함께 미국 인류 대학들을 탐방하며 더 깊은 이야기를 들어보고 이 위대한 나라 형성에 어떻게 기여했는지 알아볼 텐데요. 준비되셨나요? 그럼 출발합니다. 미시간 주립대는 미시간주 남부에 위치한 이스트 랜싱에 있습니다. 오늘날 이 캠퍼스에는 학과 건물, 높이 솟은 체육시설, 그리고 전국 최대 규모의 기숙사 체계가 복잡하게 들어서 있죠. 하지만 이 최상위권 대학교는 유구한 역사가 없었다면 오늘날의 자리에 있지 못했을 거예요. 미시간 주립대, 줄여서 MSU 또는 미시간 주립 농업칼리지라고도 불렸던 이곳은 이름 그대로 농부를 위해 설립된 대학이었습니다. 5명의 교수, 63명의 남학생, 그리고 농부와 노동자에게 더욱 질 좋은 교육을 제공하려는 열정을 품은 한 명의 총장으로 시작했죠. 미국 최초의 농업대학으로서 미시간 주립대는 농업의 기초인 과학에 초점을 맞춰 실용성과 이론을 혁신적으로 혼합하는 교육과정을 제공하였습니다. 이런 결정 덕분에 MSU는 당시의 다른 학부 교육기관과 달리 치열한 과학대학으로 빠르게 변해갔습니다. 농업부터 물리학까지 설립 이래 미시간 주립대의 학구열은 과학적 발견을 통해 가능성의 한계를 극복해 나갔습니다. 핵 천체 물리학자를 만난다는 것은 흔한 일이 아니죠. 그래서 오늘 스피루 교수님을 만나 MSU의 최첨단 시설에 대해 알아보겠습니다.
My expertise is in experimental nuclear physics, so my day-to-day work is doing experiments in nuclear physics. And it is an odd connection to make between, the giant world of stars and the tiny world of nuclei. But in reality, what fuels the stars, what makes them shine and what makes them have all this energy is coming from nuclear reactions.
And can you tell me more about the rare isotope beams? I've honestly never heard of that, so I would love an explanation.
The Facility for Rare Isotope Beams, or we call it FRIP for short, is a new nuclear physics lab that is currently under construction at Michigan State University.
And how is this research being applied to our everyday lives?
Isotopes that were discovered several decades ago are today used to treat cancer or as a diagnostic in medical operations. So this lab is focusing on the basic research. So we're trying to understand or to answer some of the big questions about the universe. Having a world-class nuclear physics lab located on the campus of a big university is rare. We have 40 faculty members with different expertise, and so you have an expert for everything. This is just amazing to have.
And how do you think that impacts the students' research and what they are curious about? I'm sure they want to collaborate with the faculty members and have many questions that they want to answer as well.
Yeah, and I think this is a huge advantage for the students too, that they have an expert on anything they're curious about and they can participate in world-leading experiments. This is just something that doesn't happen at other places. I know I didn't have it as an undergraduate student in Greece. I didn't have an opportunity like this. So being here is just so different and so much better opportunities. So just working around all these young people just gives you all the energy, and really they bring in fresh ideas themselves. And I like that we all work together in that respect.
MSU는 과학적 연구에 투자하는 것으로 잘 알려져 있습니다. 미국 국립과학재단에 따르면 MSU는 전국에서 의대를 보유하지 않는 대학 중 4번째로 가장 많은 연구비를 지출하는 것으로 나타났습니다.
You know you're doing research that is world leading, that any new experiment you do has never been done before. And so this is just an amazing feeling.
So if I'm a student and I'm interested in studying rare isotopes, MSU is a place to be.
Oh, absolutely. For nuclear physics, this is the place to be.
오늘은 대학 입학사정관 패티 크룬과 함께 미시간 주립대 스파르탄 정신에 대해 더 알아볼까요?
Hi, thank you so much for your time today.
I'm happy to be here. Thank you.
Patty, what would you say Michigan State University's culture and spirit is like?
Oh my. It is so big. It is so much fun to be a Spartan, and there is so much school spirit. When students come to campus, one of the first things they'll learn is our Spartan greeting. So when I say go green, the answer is go white. And what you'll find is incredible spirit on a football Saturday. 75,000 people there. Half the stadium yells go green and the other half yells go white. It just gets so loud. It's pretty special.
Just from your description, I can already imagine the vibrant energy and culture that happens at the university.
입학사정관 앨릭스 스미스는 패티와 함께 MSU에 잘 맞는 학생들을 찾고 있습니다.
And what do you think makes MSU unique amongst the other top tier schools?
I would say, it's not unique to be large, but it is unique to be large and to be as welcoming as we are and to offer the opportunities to collaborate as well as we do. There are more than 200 different study options on campus. It's great because our students and our faculty and our staff all get to collaborate and learn across some of those boundaries.
대학을 진학하는 학생의 4분의 1은 1세대 학생이라고 합니다. 오늘은 제가 직접 1세대 학생인 대학교 3학년 케이틀린을 만나 이야기를 나눠보겠습니다.
So I hear that you are a first generation student and a rising senior. What has that experience been like for you at MSU?
Being a first generation college student, having no family members that have gone to college before, it was definitely scary at first, but there are a lot of resources, luckily, that have helped me along the way. It's been a really great experience, and I've had a lot of self-growth from being a first-gen college student.
Tell me about your classes. What are they like?
I am studying integrative biology. It's basically a ton of biology classes. You go into different classes like animal behavior, fundamental genetics, physiology for pre-health professionals. They are difficult and challenging classes, but because I love biology, they're not so difficult.
I also hear that you are a YouTuber.
One of the main things that drove me to start my YouTube channel was the fact that I struggled so hard my freshman year. I didn't want anyone to feel as lost as I did. I wanted people to have the opportunity to see what it was like before they came, ask questions, get advice, so they didn't feel as lost, didn't feel as scared. One of the things that I do is I try to be as realistic as possible. I try to show the hard parts and the good parts, the easy parts, everything, so people get an authentic experience from my channel. Trying to get you guys productive and motivated, trying to get myself productive and motivated.
I was watching your YouTube videos and I saw that you were taking such beautiful notes on your iPad. What is the secret to that?
Thank you so much. I think the main secret is enjoying it. For some people, notes are the bane of their existence. But if you try your hardest to find a way to make it fun on an iPad or on paper, it will really help your experience with note-taking.
Can you show me some examples of your notes?
Yeah, my favorite class to take notes for this year specifically was animal behavior. So here's a little example.
Oh, so pretty!
I add pictures, I add titles that are cute, I highlight important information, and you can see I do 2 columns sometimes. Sometimes it's more of just a usual note layout. But there are images, there are graphs, and this is what really ties in the stuff from the lecture to the images and stuff that I need to correlate the information with. I can't express enough how grateful I am to get to know all of my subscribers and help them on their journeys in college as well.
케이틀린이 MSU에서 공부하면서 재능을 꽃피운 이야기를 듣고 나니 고등학생들이 이곳에 지원하는 과정이 궁금해지네요.
Can you tell me about the application process for the high school students?
Right, so Michigan State makes it very easy for students to apply. Students can apply using the Common Application, and we also have our own application, and it truly doesn't matter to us which application students choose, whatever's easiest for them.
The application is way less daunting than you might think it is. It's all about yourself. You're trying to sell you as a student to the school so they choose you.
We're really looking to learn more about the student and who they are and how they think. And we really encourage students to explore their various passions. A lot of our students do double majors, do maybe even multiple minors or specializations. That's something I really encourage, is for students to explore early on and work with career services. We have a very, very high placement rate, but that comes not because students wake up their senior year and decide, oh, I need to look for a job. It comes from what they do all throughout their 4 years at Michigan State.
What type of student does MSU want to have?
We are looking for students, I'd say that first of all, they have that interest in getting involved early on. They display that through their application. We're looking for students that have done well in their academics, but ultimately the students that I know are going to do best here are the ones that have displayed a willingness to get involved and try new things. And that's my biggest piece of advice for students coming into a place like Michigan State. Be open to trying new things, because that will ultimately benefit you the most as you're leaving Michigan State and going out into the real world.
I'm wondering how you can tell if a student will fit in that criteria when they're writing their application essays.
Well, two of the easiest things for us to see their personal statement on their application, where they tell us a little bit more about themselves, and it helps us get to know them beyond just the grades and the test scores. And many of the personal statement questions are geared specifically towards problem solving or overcoming difficulties. And then I love looking at students' activities that they list on their application as well. And at Michigan State and in the US in general, we do like to get to know you a little bit better beyond just the basics, just some numbers and grades.
세월이 지나면서 미시간 주립대는 전국의 주요 대학교 중에서 체육 분야로 유명해졌습니다. 미시간 주립대가 성장하면서 미시간 대학교와는 대학 스포츠계에서 가장 치열한 라이벌 중 하나가 되었죠. 마칭 밴드 지도교사이자 MSU 졸업생인 테일러 씨와 이야기를 더 나눠봤습니다.
Tell me more about this rivalry. It sounds like a very big deal in Michigan.
Oh, it is the biggest deal. It is a huge deal. It is very ingrained to the state of Michigan. You kind of choose which one you want to be a part of and be a fan of. And I chose Michigan State from a very young age. Growing up, we kind of were on the losing end of a lot of those games. In the 90s and the early 2000s, you know, we get our butts whooped. It was right around when Coach D'Antonio got the job that we really started to cook.
단토니오 감독은 대학 미식축구계에 떠오르는 스타였지만 엄청난 난관에 마주했습니다. MSU가 5년 동안이나 미시간 대학을 이기지 못했던 거죠.
There was the infamous Mike Hart little brother comment that really fueled a lot of hatred.
특히나 극심했던 패배 이후 라이벌 선수였던 마이크 하트가 MSU를 두고 이런 말을 했습니다.
It's good, you know, sometimes you get your little brother excited when you're playing basketball and stuff. Let him get the lead, and then you just come back and take it back.
Do you think of Michigan State as your little brother?
Yep.
Oh no.
As Michigan State fans, we did not take that lightly.
Yeah.
And that definitely fueled a lot of that just competitive spirit and wanting to take it to them.
So they want to mock us all they want to mock us. I'm telling them it's not over. It's not over. It'll never be over.
As soon as he made that comment, you know, we kind of went on a run. All of a sudden, the tides had totally turned, and now we were the top dog.
He's in. Touchdown. touchdown, MSU! Drive to 20, he's at the 10, he's at the 5, he's gonna go into the end zone! Touchdown, MSU!
I dreamt of as a kid being able to go to those games, being able to beat Michigan, and it was a really hard thing growing up and never being able to be on top. But you know, I was a part of the glory years, thankfully, where we really took it to them.
Taylor, it was a pleasure to speak with you today. I loved listening to your story about your perspective as an alumni at MSU.
Thank you so much. Yeah, it was great talking about it, and go green.
Go White! What is the life like for students outside of the classroom?
Oh, students have a very vibrant life here. We have over 900 clubs and associations on campus. So whatever it is students love to do, they can continue to do that at Michigan State.
MSU의 기숙사 체계는 미국 내에서도 독특하다고 여겨집니다. 27동의 학부 생활관은 5개의 단지로 나뉘고 단지마다 고유의 학생회관과 식당이 있습니다.
It's a big sense of community and you'll find your niche. There's always a place for you in a campus that is so large.
And what we're trying to do is to make sure we've got a strong network there to help catch students and do what we can do to help them succeed and be their very best.
MSU가 깊게 뿌리 내린 방법 중 하나는 바로 대학의 유기농 농장을 통한 것입니다. 프로그램 매니저인 KT가 이 독특한 기회에 대해 더 설명해 주셨습니다.
Hi, I'm Jasmine. Thank you so much for your time today.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Why do you think learning how to farm is so important in our world today?
Honestly, we're on the verge of losing a lot of the farming expertise from the past, both in the organic farmer training program that I teach and with the undergraduate students that are studying sustainable horticulture. Many of those folks are first-generation farmers. They did not grow up on a farm. So having a place where they can come and learn some of those skills in a hands-on way, while also learning the business of farming and the science of how crops grow in a classroom setting, can be a really positive experience for students. Being a part of that opportunity for students is really a privilege to see people learning how to grow food, which is essential, learning how to make decisions in a work environment where they need to have leadership and responsibility. It's an amazing experience.
Artemis, what brought you to MSU in the first place?
Oh, the main reason I came here and the main reason I stayed here is this lab. We have in the lab about 150 undergraduate students. Before they even get their degree, they can come in and work. So there's a huge team that works together to make this happen, and students are a very strong part of this team.
When people ask me my favorite thing about this place, it's absolutely the people and the diverse nature of our student body. So I love that aspect, and I love the fact that I get to add to that through my work.
Going into college and meeting so many different people from so many different backgrounds, that's really been enriching. It's a really great privilege to have.
When you're a Spartan, you're a part of a learning community, a community that, yes, supports its athletics, but also a community that's there for each other. And, you know, I definitely have found some of my lifelong friends from being a Spartan.
I think for students who decide to choose MSU as their university and their home for the next 4 years, they'll really get a valuable experience and able to hone that Spartan's will as they go on in their future.
That's our hope. We have a wonderful student body. We're there to help these students. And so what we're trying to do is to help them find their path, create their future. And through that, then we're all better.
미시간 주립대의 모토는 스파르탄 정신입니다. 고난과 역경의 세상 속에서 스파르타는 세상을 더 나은 곳으로 만들기 위한 변화를 가져오는 자가 된다는 믿음이죠.